So I was wanting to retire, find some land, have little open spaces, and I have to say, came across this piece of property. It's 15 acres, and it just provided a perfect location to build this house and barn. Yes, the idea was always to build both, but the process was just extremely positive from beginning to end. I mean, the inquiry for the catalog, the follow-up from the people, the friendly people we dealt with in the sales department. So yeah, we decided to do the house and the barn, and again, with all your help from the very beginning to pounding the last nail, you guys were there with us, so we appreciate it. Saw in the catalog, I think it's the Eastern home, and wanted to expand it a little bit, and with the flexibility that you guys have, we extended the kitchen over to give us enough room so we had a larger living space. We wanted the big cathedral ceiling, we wanted the larger windows above the fireplace. Upstairs we just wanted 2 normal bedrooms, but we also were able to get the loft, the open loft, and we left room for a dining room, a decent room for dining. In fact, a large dining table, because with the children and the grandchildren, there's room to seat a lot of people. As far as the barn is concerned, we wanted a lot of storage space on the main level. But the upper level wanted to be a play area and a sleeping area for the grandchildren. And they love the bunk beds and they love their little sleeping bags, and so that was the main focus above the barn, was to get living and playing space for the kids and grandkids for rainy days. And then the 15 acres in the water keeps them busy when the weather's good. So, from the very beginning of the process to the very end of the process, everything that happened exceeded my expectations, and that's just an absolutely true statement. I don't know how high of expectations I set, but pretty high expectations. But from very beginning to the very end, the quality of the wood, the quality of the materials, the service, anytime there was any question or any problems, that we'd get an immediate response. And so I can only say that the only surprises that I had were extremely positive surprises, that everything met and exceeded all my expectations.